Hello, dear everyone. Welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Tonight, I would like to share with you on how to make Spanish sardines. So, we will be using Bangus as our fish tonight. So, this is milkfish, and I wash it and I took out its intestines or guts. Then, they're good to go. Okay, now this is a 2 kilo milkfish and also I'll be using some nice carrots. Look at this carrots that I sliced into cubes. I am also going to use some stuffed manzanilla or green olives. Of course, you can use black olives. I have here some nice bay leaves or dahon sa laurel, cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. I have here black peppercorns and also this nice ginger and some fresh tomatoes, hand-picked tomatoes from the garden of my good friend Nerissa. Thank you, Neri, for that. Red cooking onions, and I have here baby dill or pickles, baby cucumber pickles. And as what I've said, I have here some nice fresh red chilies. Now for our seasoning, I'll be using a little bit of soya sauce or toyo and some rock sea salt, patis or fish sauce. And normally we will be using sukang maasim or white vinegar. This is spiced white vinegar. But I decided that I will be using apple cider this time. But however, if you don't have apple cider, of course you can use maasim or sukang maasim or white vinegar. And the very good product that we will be using for oil is pure olive oil. And I'm going to add some water, just the room temperature of water. And remember, friends, that we are going to pressure cook this one. So this is a part of my pressure cooker. Now, first of all, I am going to mix all my seasoning here. So I will add 1 cup of water. You can add a little bit of water. So when I cook, I don't really measure it. So there's no precise measurement. I'm just doing it in an approximate basis, and lots of olive oil. So probably this olive oil measures, let's say, approximately 2 cups of olive oil. So this is pure olive oil. And then maybe 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Beautiful. And so remember, I'm not gonna do some sukang maasim or white vinegar because I use the apple cider. Give a good stir or mix. And approximate 1/2 cup of fish sauce or patis, and approximately 2 tablespoons, that's 1 tablespoon, another tablespoon of salt. So give a good mix. And let's say 1/2 cup of soya sauce or toyo. I am just eyeballing all my ingredients. There you go. So wonderful, friends. Give a good mix. Now remember, friends, that different people, they have their own different ways of cooking or making this type of dish. So this is just my very own way of doing it. Lovely friends, you might be thinking that we are making paksiw na bangus, but actually not. Since we are using the apple cider, or if you want to use the white vinegar. Now the vinegar or the apple cider, it will help in preserving our sardines. Okay, here in my clean cooking pot, I am going to add some of the spices now. So what we will do is we are going to add our dahon sa laurel. So lots and lots so that the aroma will infuse all together. Lovely. Okay, that's for first is our bay leaf, and also next we are going to add our, let's say, our onions. There you go, friends, our onions, then our nice garlic. Beautiful. And after that, we are going to add our carrots. So there you go, our carrots. And also I am going to add our fish and arrange this one nicely. So friends, there you go, our slices of fish. Then afterwards, I am going to add my cloves of garlic. You can chop or slice your garlic, but I just would like to make it whole this time because anyway, we're going to pressure cook it. And after that, lovely friends, my slices of tomatoes. There you go, slices of tomatoes. And then this peppercorn. Beautiful. And again, I'm going to add the rest of this red onions. You can use white cooking onion if you want, or if you don't have red cooking onion, that's fine. And also these olives, lots and lots of olives. Beautiful. And I am going to add my pickled cucumbers or dill. Beautiful. Then there you go. So it will infuse from the bottom, especially the laurel leaves or the bay leaf or the dahon ng paminta. So this one, keep stirring. There you go. And so I'll have to pour this. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is ready to be pressurized. Oh, by the way, I have to take out this red chilies and put it on top. Okay, lovely friends, I have here my red chilies. Very fresh one. And then I'll have to cover this one. And I like this kind of pressure cooker. So there you go, I close it. Okay, I have to plug it. There you go. So I'll have to put fish because we're cooking fish. But it doesn't only take 5 minutes because we're going to pressure cook that one. Hold on a minute. I'll have to cancel it first. So fish, I'll have to set this for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Sorry. Okay, let's pressure cook that for 1 hour. Let's say 1 hour. Okay, so set that aside and we'll be back after 1 hour. Lovely friends, hello. So our Spanish sardines or milkfish bangus is now ready. So after 1 hour in pressurized cooking, so this is done. So I have to cancel this one. It's canceled it. So I will let the steam out. Okay, there you go. So let's try to open and check the output of our Spanish sardines. Nice. Look at that. So I'll have to dish it out and I'll put this into my serving platter. I'll get this one. Beautiful. There you go. Okay, there you go, lovely friends. This is the outcome of our Spanish sardines, which is the milkfish or bangus. It's so delicious that even the bones, the tinik or the bukog, you can eat it. I'm so excited to taste it. I'm so hungry. So thank you very much for watching Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creation. Stay tuned for more cookings and bakings here at my little kitchen. Thank you. Daghang kaayong salamat. Mga unata.